Hello, sir. Yes, my name is Inspector Fogumbura. Yes, we are on stop and searching. We need to search your car, sir. No. I did not say you do anything bad. Yes, it's a special duty from our headquarters. Yes, we can't search your car. Why? Which my oga? My oga doesn't know anybody. We are working for government. This is a Nigerian police. No. We have to search your car. Boys, oh yeah, search him. What is this? Bribe? No. Say no to bribe. The Nigerian police doesn't collect bribe again. Yes. We are the change people. We are the change people. We are the change people. Nigeria police, oh, we are the change people. Yes, we don't collect bribe and you cannot go. You are under arrest. What is it? Gone? Ó dolúworo jìworo òkú ajá ò ní lè gbó. Ó dolúworo jìworo òkú àgbẹ̀ ò ní lè kàn. Ìràwé tiẹ̀ ti korí sódò. Ó dìgbàgbé. Dójú bọ́ yẹn kọlẹ̀. Get him arrested. Ìwọ Ògún ló máa pa ẹ́. Yes, in God we trust. I've told you people. Yes. The Nigerian police have changed. We are ready to work because the new IG is really working. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, the new IG is really working. Say no to bribe. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Yes. Get him arrested. Yes. Look at that. Bail is what? It's free. So don't even give us bribe because we won't collect it. We are the change people. We are the change people. We are the change people. Nigeria police, so we are the change people. Yes.